In this video, I will show you how to get free shipping on NFL Shop. Simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for NFL Shop. Here at the top of the screen, you can see free shipping on orders over $39. So to get free shipping on your orders, your purchase must be over $39. Then you have been given this code NFL39. Shop for the items. Once you're done, simply click on this cart icon in the top right corner. Scroll down below. Here it will ask you, do you have any promo codes? Then simply click on the plus icon. Here type in NFL39, then click on apply. This free shipping promotion is not currently available in my country, but you can have it. Simply apply it, then click on checkout. Put in your details, then continue checkout, make your payment, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.